Well, it's been far too long. I've done absolutely nothing on this bike for the past 2 or 3 months. Lost a little bit of interest. Lots of other things happening. Work's busy because it's coming up to Christmas. So where are we at? Well, we have a bent bar. She's bent like a banana. Don't know how well the camera will pick that up. So we need a new one of those. We know our front disc is warped. We need a new one of those. So Monday I am working just around the corner from where Wreckers is. So I am going to whip this disc off, take that bar and try and get a couple of indicators as well while I'm there. So yeah, let's rip back into this thing. Okay, so I haven't been doing absolutely nothing. This is the front clocks and fairing assembly. I've sanded all that back and given it a nice clean coat of paint. As you can see, the exhausts, a mate of mine runs a mechanics workshop and he had it all sandblasted and then he's coated it in this high temp paint. They are looking absolutely lovely, looking too flash in fact. So yeah, so the engine, yeah, I've been cleaning and it's just not really coming up that great. The thing is, it doesn't really get seen because it's hidden behind the fairing, but still I'm not happy with it. But plans have changed slightly. Let me fill you in. Okay, so my original plan with this was to get it back to showroom condition and back on the road. Things have changed. I'm still going to get it back on the road. I'm just not going to go to the high level of what I once was going to do, because once I get this on the road, I am going to trade it in at a bike shop for another motorbike, one that I want, not an old cafe racer or anything, something completely different. So yeah, that is the plan, just to get this thing tidied up, road legal, and then I'm trading it, because the dealers will probably give me more cash for this on a trade-in than I would be able to sell it for in the second-hand market, because these aren't going for much at all at the moment. Cool, okay, well let's get that front wheel off. I'm going to tie the frame up from the rafters and I'll get this front wheel off. giving these rear wheel adjusters a bit of a tickle up on the old buffing wheel. You can see the before and after. So, cool. Okay, so I've just been cleaning these wheels up. They've actually come out really good. Bit of soap, bit of elbow grease. Excellent. Someone got a new squeaky ball for Christmas. Didn't you? Becoming a bit annoying. Okay, so I didn't make it to the wreckers the other day. Work got in the way. Bloody thing called work. And I pulled all the rear shock out and all the linkages, and I've been cleaning it all. Now I thought I videoed it, but for some reason I didn't. But take my word for it. Everything's cleaned up nicely. I'm not pulling the swing arm out. There's just doesn't seem any point to do that. So I'm going to continue cleaning the front wheel, which is over there somewhere. Yeah, and then I'm going to clean the forks up and go from there. Okay, so this black paint here is flaking off this disc. I think I want to paint this, so I'll get this off. I've also just cleaned all this up, packed some fresh grease in there. This sprocket's almost brand new, so I certainly won't be putting a new one on there. So yeah, that's looking all good. Cool. Okay, as you can see, we have the back wheel in. Went in pretty straightforward. Just put a little bit of grease on everything. Yeah, pretty happy with that. It's nice and tidy. Hey Maggie. And also threw the engine in. Ooh. Wasn't going to do this, and then I thought, oh, what the hell, I wanted to get it in there and out of the way. I've done all the cleaning I'm going to do on it. Yeah, it is what it is. So I've just got it hanging on my strops. And yeah, so anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. It's Christmas Eve tonight, so happy holidays and all that sort of rubbish. And thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and we shall see you in the next one, whenever that might be. Okay, out of here. Where's that ball? Where's your ball? You give me that ball.